14 tips for your well-being during the pandemic. Here are some tips that can help you get through this period. 1. Exercise. Beyond the obvious physical health benefits, exercising helps boost your immunity and can provide a structure and routine to your day. 2. Eat well. Make sure you are eating lots of healthy foods and do not be tempted to snack, which could lead to overeating. Ensure you are eating more fruit and vegetables and whole and unprocessed foods and reduce your carbohydrate intake. Set a timer on your phone for breakfast, lunch, dinner and a small snack between each meal and try to stick to this routine. Try and limit caffeinated drinks to 3 per day and remember to drink plenty of water. 3. Connecting with others. Try and make the most of the good weather and see a few friends and family from a distance of 1 or 2 meters. 4. Social media. We would be lost without technology during this pandemic. By all means, stay connected via your devices and social media, but it might be a good idea to set a limit for how much you consume. Overexposure to social media has been known to reduce attention span and lead to a lower mood. 5. Kindness to others. We have all been pushed to our limits during this pandemic, and opinions will differ as we try to continue to live our lives during these restricted times. So try to meet those differences with an open mind and more understanding. 6. Kindness to yourself. Allow yourself to indulge in something that you enjoy. It doesn't have to be fancy, but anything that can put a smile on your face and uplift your mood, like taking up a new hobby or learning a new language. 7. Stop setting targets. Setting personal targets to achieve during this pandemic might help some people, but for many others it is an unnecessary burden. Be content within yourself and try to do the best you can each day and every day. 8. Volunteer. You can volunteer your time online or on the phone as well as in person. This will help keep you busy at a time when you might feel more lonely and isolated from others. 9. Gardening. The benefits of gardening on physical and mental health are well known. So if you have an outdoor space, this is the perfect time to start gardening, especially if you've never really tried it before. 10. Write a journal. This can be a way to clear the mind, and it can help deal with overthinking and general stress. 11. Meditation. Meditating is meant to help you to be aware of your thoughts and observe them, rather than being consumed by them. There are many apps that can help you get started with meditation, which is well known to positively impact mental health. Other types of meditation are part of physical practices such as yoga. Try what works best for you. 12. Be positive. Recognizing and noting down moments of positivity and gratitude will have a positive effect on your mental health and general well-being. 13. Prayer. This tip will not resonate with everyone, but faith and prayer have helped many cope during this pandemic. See if it helps you too. 14. Take supplements. Even after ensuring you're eating a healthy, balanced diet, taking some multivitamins will be beneficial for the overall health of your immune system. Vitamins A, B complex, C and D are recommended. We hope you find these tips useful and stay safe.